What's up, guys? I'm still here back at the Warehouse Gym. This is gonna be the how to use the tricep extension overhead reloader. I've got Melanie Oliveira here, our GM, in her beautiful Battle Angels top that we have exclusively here at the Warehouse. Real quick, you scan the QR code, let me show you how to run this thing. Super easy. You're gonna grab a couple of 10-pounders. Let's get it warmed up on this. Perfect weight horns right here. You can set them up. Easy to use. This is a plate-loaded machine. So she has now adjusted the seat to a comfortable place. It's got a pull pin. This is super important. I want you to pay attention. Right here, we call it the gas pedal or the brake pedal. This locks the machine. The machine is in a locked position for safety. All right, does that make sense? I want you to go ahead. Mel, show us how you unrack this thing. So you can see that the top grip is ergonomic from a regular standard easy curl bar. Now, as she lifts up, the spring-loaded brake disengages, so now she's free to do the movement of the exercise to the full range of motion. Go ahead. Bring it behind her head, a full overhead stretch. Having a nice smooth grip, which you can alternate and mix up with different grips. Try it for yourself depending on your height and your size. You know, very nice, good stretch. Coming down and up, perfect. And this, having the Moment arms, allows it to have a little bit more dynamic, so you have to balance and control it, but still maintain a nice smooth range of motion. So this thing's super awesome. I recommend it. Get a good pump. And then when you're ready, I want you to focus here. As she goes up, brake pedal down. And as you can see, she had just set it down. Now she just leans it straight back, and that's the starting position. So that's how it works. It's super simple, very easy to use. You can also use it as a shoulder press if you want, okay? Really awesome. So you can reach back here with these, and it's really cool. And so you can actually get a nice wide grip, and then you just press straight up. And with the seat, it's a narrow but nice padding to where you can comfortably stretch and bring the bar carefully behind your head. The range of motion is entirely up to your comfortability on how you want to come down. So make sure you don't overly stretch. Keep a nice range and a good clean press. I'm not throwing my neck forward, I'm not throwing it back, keeping it very neutral, all right? Also, control it, I can bring it straight down in front of me and go forward. This is a really nice variation. I can set it down, I can come forward, I can come up, and I can bring it for a close grip press as well, which is a great finish variation from the tricep extension here. This is just super awesome and very dynamic. So the original movement, and then when I'm finished, I lock the pedal down, set it down, lean it back. There you have it. It's how to use the tricep overhead extension, the reloader war machine. I'd like to thank Melanie and myself for showing you guys this. Make sure to check it out and let us know what you think.